Sequest. No, they took off the T, but it's Sequest. There used to be a T right there. Now it's Sequest.
Then touch a snake.
Okay, Sequest. We're at Sequest, Las Vegas, Maryland Parkway. It's like a indoor aquarium, a little bit of outdoor activity, and it's in the what's this mall? Boulevard Mall. Boulevard Mall. Right across the way is called the Rec Center. It's got like go-karts and food and rock climbing.
Go on your arm.
Get the food and feed them.
I want to pretend I'm in. Okay? Okay?
Okay,
Papa, you want to come in too?
just you.
Please?
Just you. I'll take a picture. Are you scared of him?
Yeah,
Why?
it might bite me.
No, I'm not gonna bite.
It might bite me.
Have you ever been slapped by an iguana tail?
No, have you? Wait, what? Say it again. Hold on. What?
Have you ever been slapped by an iguana tail?
No, I haven't, but when have you?
I don't remember. When I was a kid and one slapped me. I don't remember who had it.
Mama got slapped by the tail. What the heck?
Oh, not a cat.
I saw it move. They're not puppies.
Yeah, they just stay still. Like,
Yeah.
what's wrong?
That fish looks like you.
Why does it look like me?
Because it has teeth. Like you.
So she's.
Oh, Grayson, you look like
She said that thing looks like me because I have teeth. Yes, so. See, now that's the high point. See, and it creates that little digital thing. Just kind of cool.
Kimber, you ready?
So that's mountain right here. That's sea level right there.
Okay, put your hand.
You jumping in my hand.
Okay, come here.
Jumping in right here. Got me.
No, they can't bite your finger though.
Here.
Mama's touching it now. So really quick, guys, you can feed the stingrays. Feed the stingrays dried up krill. Check out the fishes in the aquarium. Only a token. We're gonna go head down to the tunnel. Go that way, baby. Go. Go.
No, I want to go up there.
Let's go here first. Look, you can see underneath the stingray. Go. on, Ford. There's more to see. Let's go. Creatures of the light. I'm not sure how this will come up on. Whoa! What are those things? Sure if you can read it. Glowfish. They live up to their name.
Oh, I don't know, baby.
Alright guys, look at this thing. Yuck. Burmese python. Ugh. Yuck. I feel like Indiana Jones right now.
Can I see that?
Oh yeah, I can see it.
Oh my god.
You gotta sit down.
Yeah, sit down. Sit down.
There's one on you.
I know. He's waiting for the food.
There's one on you, Papa.
I know. No sudden movements, okay? You're here to help them.
There's my
Oh, look at this guy.
If you're here, plowing the ground. Hello guys, if you guys are trying to come into the birds, you would have to land in the line right over there. If you're just sightseeing, then ignore everything I'm saying to you right now. But the line is over there.
This one didn't drive my food.
His tail is all in my ear. Whoa! Wow. Yeah, there's Dory. And there's oh look, it's not Finding Nemo, but it's Finding Emo. Wow.
Finding Nemo.
Seahorse.
And that's a giraffe horse right there. Wait, that's not real. These are the metiches.
Spotted garden eels. See them coming out of the ground?
Yeah.
Clownfish and sea anemone. I can't pronounce it.
Nemo.
Oh yeah. can check this online, but annual passports are $40. You can get tokens to feed animals. And under two's free, ages 2 and 11 are $11. 12 and up is 16, 17. Military is 14. It's awesome. Alright guys, that was Sequest Interactive Aquarium. Spent a good 3 to 4 hours here. It's right in this mall. You can do a whole day here. You got the theater. There's someplace called Heads Up we're gonna go check out. And then you have this thing, T-Rex, when it opens up, it's that dinosaur exhibit. We're gonna go check that out next time. But that'll do it for this vlog.
Oh, I already used it, but let's see how much is that.
Okay guys, that'll about do it. If you like what you saw here, family stuff, Las Vegas stuff, click the subscribe button, like, hit the bell because I'm going to be uploading more and more so often, and share. That's the best way to get this video out there and make sure it stays on. Whatever, you know what it is.
Oh, that's a lot. Look at that,
Alright,
Mama.
finish that so we can have dinner. Thank you.
Lunchtime.
Yeah.
Lunchtime.
Lunchtime. You know you got her addicted to those, babe?
I know. Okay. We're gonna go now.
Alright, let's go have dinner or lunch. Alright, we made it. We're coming to Rainforest Cafe. It's kind of hard to find from Planet Hollywood / Miracle Shots, but we're here.
You guys going to be around for tomorrow night?
So let's go look up. Right across on the other side is Rainforest. Oh my god, that looks good. I think Mama wants shrimp. I think that's what she's trying to say. Oh my god, look up there. That's for all the adults right there. And here we go. Rainforest Cafe. Okay. We're here at Rainforest Cafe in Las Vegas.
So, Papa, this is my side, this is your side.
Okay. And we're trying to color her kids menu. When you got kids, you can come here. They can check out all the animals that move around. What's those?
Monkey.
No, what are these right here? Starts with the E.
Oh, elephant.
Yeah, let's go. This way. Huh?
Parrot.
Yeah, come this way. Come here.
Gorilla.
Come here.
Gorilla.
Yeah, come here. This way. See, look. Over here, look. Hey, look at. Look at. That's Las Vegas out there. Great. Cool. Come on in.
A butterfly.
We're exploring.
We have another
Oh, I saw. Yeah, she's afraid of the gorillas.
And I will talk to him right now.
All right, let's go back to our seat, baby. What's going on?
The thunder.
Thunder? Whew, it's over. It's over. We made it. Weren't you scared?
No.
Now you're brave?
No, it's this It's just for noise.
Oh, okay.
Volcano. Enjoy.
Thank you. Or are you hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah. What is that? What is that right there?
Volcano.
No one. Well, somebody ate all their dessert and is very happy. Let's go. It's not real. Get closer.
Statue.
Get closer.
Statue. Sit right here.
It's not bad. 2 hoodies for 60. That'll about do it from Rainforest Cafe. We're heading out now. And if you like what you saw, subscribe, like, and share for more of these adventures. Heck? That guy's crazy.